Hey everybody, Audrey here. I hope you are all well. Fall's coming. I think it is time to do a summer wrap-up. Let's start it. I don't know about your plans, but my plan took a break during the summer. I found out every year when hot summer arrives, most of my Hoya will take a break from growing. When late September hit, I start to see new growth from most of my plants, so my Hoya also take a summer breaks. Next, mealybugs. Do we all hate the bugs? I'll be using my alcohol brush from time to time to try to kill those little bugs. It is fun to see them shrivel down and die. Earlier this summer, I did directly use 70% alcohol on all my plants when the infestation was out of control. I would suggest use the directly spray cautiously, and it should be your last resort. My Hoya Houstonana has been suffering since the spray. I also spray diatomaceous earth on my plants just in case I have other insects on my plants. I don't think I have other infestation except mealybugs. I spray the diatomaceous earth anyway as a precautious method. After spray them, I will let the white residue stay on my plants for 4 weeks to prolong the treatment. This summer, I started to use water at least once a month to wash off dust on all my plants. I think this is a good way to keep the plant looks healthy and shiny. I also fertilize my plants every other watering with Super Thrive and fish fertilizer. Lastly, I have been spraying water most of the days to increase humidity around my plants. Talking about summer wrap-up, the cold is coming. I don't know about you, but for me, if my neck feels cold, my whole body feels cold. This fall, I prepared this winter with this new product, a heat pad for neck, shoulder, and back. It not only keeps my neck, shoulder, and back warm, but also helps with the neck pain when I look down for too long. It fits my body perfectly, and I don't have to worry about it falls off. If you are like me, I highly recommend this heat pad. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!